Welcome. Today we're going to talk about what it would be like to look at aging as a positive thing. And we're talking to Dr. Nader Shabahangi, a licensed psychotherapist and co-founder of AgeSong. Welcome, Dr. Shabahangi. It's great to have you here today.
Thank you.
You've authored a number of books that embrace aging. That's your general philosophy. How did you become interested in this?
I think my grandparents were such a strong influence in my life that I wanted to be like them from very early on. And I thought, I want to celebrate what they have to give to me, what they have done for me.
So you were looking at them in a really treasured, valued way.
Exactly, yes.
That's not necessarily how all cultures view aging.
You're right, and that I think was actually the reason why I was writing these books and why I founded AgeSong, because I saw somehow that the aged population wasn't really part of our mainstream culture. And it felt very isolated, and I thought, no, my grandparents were such a wonderful influence on me. I want others to experience also how beautiful it is to be in the company of older people. There's something really wonderful and valuable about aging and becoming older.
Well, you know, it's interesting in the sense that our demographics are changing. There will be more older people than younger people.
That's right.
So it begs the question, how is that going to change the values? How is that going to change what happens culturally? How is that going to change what happens in the world?
You're absolutely right, Sharon, and this is an incredible opportune time right now with so many of us baby boomers growing into our older age, that we can change the culture, that we can now, instead of an anti-aging philosophy that is so prevalent, we can actually say, hey, there's something wonderful about aging, because aging means maturing, means changing, means becoming wiser.
And is this what you're doing with AgeSong?
That is exactly what is the whole philosophy, the foundation of AgeSong, is to value aging as something very beautiful, so that you do not fear the process of becoming older, but that you're actually looking forward to growing old.
So it's not only a cultural shift in terms of how it's looked at, it's also a shift in how you look at yourself.
You look in the mirror.
You're going through the process.
Exactly. So when you look in the mirror in the morning, rather than looking at your wrinkles and saying, oh my goodness, I'm getting older, you're saying, I am developing character.
I have value.
That's right. And every day I'm getting a little bit better.
Doctor, thank you so much for being with us today. I love talking to you about this. Thank you also for joining us. Now, if you'd like to get more information about Dr. Nader Shabahangi and his age-embracing philosophies, check out his website, agesong.com. Thank you again for being with us.
You're welcome.
This segment sponsored by AgeSong.